So here we are just finishing up some projects in studio. I'm taking you along here while I am blowtorching some top glazes on a good sized piece. This probably has about 16 layers of encaustic, so beeswax, damar resin, mixed metals, a little bit of oil stick, and I am working vertically, which is a little studio trick I do a lot to use gravity. And I'm just doing some blowtorching there to make sure all the layers are going in the right direction, creating sort of a dripped effect. And now I'm just showing you around studio as I'm finishing up some commissions. This piece is underpainted, more than halfway done in this shot. It's got that nice kind of deep dark outline with some oil stick. I like the RF Paints brand. And some cool mixed metals. And then we pan over to Tall Mountain Triptych. Back to that. And this might be my final way to wrap it all up. Again, using gravity, standing the piece up vertically. In my left hand, I'm using a saucepan full of white encaustic medium. And I use dry powdered pigments to get it that white. And I am just glazing in areas where I think it needs it. Then I'll stand back and look. I'll come back, stand back, add a little bit more, maybe put the pan back on the burner to warm it up. The wax itself is molten, almost pourable. And this is how I just really start to create that cool, glazed, veiled effect that's so iconic of my Longhorn work and others. And I do that with the mountainscapes too a bit. So it's been a really fun last couple of months. I'm trying different formats on how to bring you in studio. Always happy to have your feedback. I like this. I'm doing it on my phone right now, splicing together some things, but it gives me the opportunity to walk through it alongside you and point out various tips and tricks that I'm using in real time in those shots in the studio. So thank you so much for being along with us, and it really is a pure pleasure to share with you.